In this video I'm going to show you how to add a link on a YouTube video to your Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first let's go to YouTube, so open up YouTube app. Now on YouTube you can hit at your profile icon and there hit your channel. Then tap Add Videos and there you can select a video, then hit at three dots icon beside the video name and here select Share. Then tap Add Copy Link, so now you just copy a link to your clipboard and now you can open up Instagram and start creating a new story. I'll tap here at that plus sign and there I can select some background for my story, let it be that picture, and now all I have to do in order to add here a link is just hit there at stickers icon and hit there at search and look for link. And also I can easily find this sticker right there just by scrolling up. Here is it, I can see it, and now I can tap on that link sticker, then tap at URL field once and hit on paste to paste that link. Also there I can hit at plus sign where it says customize sticker text and I can add their custom sticker text. So I'll just tap on type in my new video and now I can hit on done, and now you see how it looks like. It says my new video. You can increase the size of that sticker, you can move it around on your story, you can rotate it if you want, and now you can continue creating your story as you normally do. And once you have finished, just hit there at arrow icon and share your story. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.